Okay.
Too much.
Okay.
All people were drunk and stupid. I saw something that I never believed anywhere in world. There was some people, they drink that much, they take out all their clothes, they don't know what they're doing. It was so I need to get a chicken. See the tower? See
Yeah. I see the London Eye.
all closed. What? Not long. It's not long. We are really close to see where we are. That's the tower. Okay, you know what we can do? Just stop wasting time. You know,
So-
we park somewhere. We are here, and that's the London Eye.
Yeah. So you mean we can walk there or?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
it's
park
fine.
somewhere. Let me see if next right we can go.
Uh-huh.
We park the car and walk.
Yeah.
Stop wasting time. We can see the tower. Okay, we park the car and go, okay? By walk.
Okay.
Just to save time.
But you have to find a car park.
In the street. It's nice. What do you think? That way is going to be impossible, huh? Let's practice somewhere in the streets and yeah.
Just here is.
Yeah, mind your head 1 second, okay?
Yeah.
Don't go out. Don't go out. I have to point to where we are.